Hello everyone, and welcome to a new lesson. And today let's learn to name countries, their capitals, and nationalities. Let's start. Argentina. This is Argentina. The capital of Argentina is Buenos Aires. He is from Argentina. He is Argentinian. Australia. This is Australia. The capital of Australia is Canberra. She is from Australia. She is Australian. Austria. This is Austria. The capital of Austria is Vienna. He is from Austria. He is Austrian. Brazil. This is Brazil. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. They are from Brazil. They are Brazilian. Canada. This is Canada. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. He is from Canada. He is Canadian. China. This is China. The capital of China is Beijing. She is from China. She is Chinese. Egypt. This is Egypt. The capital of Egypt is Cairo. She is from Egypt. She is Egyptian. England. This is England. The capital of England is London. He is from England. He is English. France. This is France. The capital of France is Paris. She is from France. She is French. Germany. This is Germany. The capital of Germany is Berlin. He is from Germany. He is German. India. This is India. The capital of India is New Delhi. She is from India. She is Indian. Italy. This is Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome. He is from Italy. He is Italian. Japan. This is Japan. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. She is from Japan. She is Japanese. Kenya. This is Kenya. The capital of Kenya is Nairobi. They are from Kenya. They are Kenyan. Malaysia. This is Malaysia. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. They are from Malaysia. They are Malaysian. Mexico. This is Mexico. The capital of Mexico is Mexico City. They are from Mexico. They are Mexican. Morocco. This is Morocco. The capital of Morocco is Rabat. He is from Morocco. He is Moroccan. The Netherlands. This is the Netherlands. The capital of the Netherlands is Amsterdam. They are from the Netherlands. They are Dutch. New Zealand. This is New Zealand. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington. She is from New Zealand. She is New Zealander. North Korea. This is North Korea. The capital of North Korea is Pyongyang. She is from North Korea. She is North Korean. Philippines. This is Philippines. The capital of Philippines is Manila. They are from Philippines. They are Filipinos. Portugal. This is Portugal. The capital of Portugal is Lisbon. She is from Portugal. She is Portuguese. Russia. This is Russia. The capital of Russia is Moscow. They are from Russia. They are Russian. South Africa. This is South Africa. The capital of South Africa is Cape Town. They are from South Africa. They are South African. South Korea. This is South Korea. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. He is from South Korea. He is South Korean. Spain. This is Spain. The capital of Spain is Madrid. They are from Spain. They are Spanish. Turkey. This is Turkey. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. She is from Turkey. She is Turkish. The United States of America. This is the United States of America. The capital of the United States of America is Washington, D.C. They are from United States of America. They are American.